Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about terpenoids. For organic special students, this is very important. So let us start learning of terpenoids chemistry. So I will discuss about introduction of terpenoids. Then I will discuss about the classification of terpenoids. Then isolation of mono and sesqui terpenoids. Then I will talk about general properties of terpenoids. Then general methods of structure elucidations and structure elucidations, synthesis and synthesis of camphor. Camphor is also in our university syllabus. So friends, what is terpenoids? This is the unit 1, 4th semester. What is terpenoids? There are many different classes of naturally occurring compounds. Terpenoids also form a group of naturally occurring compounds, majority of which occurs in plants. A few of them have also been obtained from other sources. My friend, terpenoids are volatile substances which give plants and flowers their fragrance. They occur widely in the leaves and fruits of higher plants, conifers, citrus, and eucalyptus. So, coming to the basic, the term terpene was given to the compounds isolated from turpentine, a volatile liquid isolated from pine trees. The simpler mono and sesqui terpenes are chief constituent of the essential oils obtained from sap and tissue of certain plants and trees. The di and triterpenoids are not steam volatile. They are obtained from plant and tree gums and resins. Terpenoids form a separate group of compounds called carotenoids. My friends, the term terpene was originally implied to describe a mixture of isomeric hydrocarbons of the molecular formula C10H16 occurring in essential oil obtained from sap and tissue of plant and trees. But there is a tendency to use more general term terpenoids, which include hydrocarbons and their oxygenated derivatives. My friend, the term terpene is being used these days by some authors to present terpenoids. The modern definitions of terpenoids. Terpenoids are the hydrocarbons of plant origin of the general formula C5H8N, as well as their oxygenated and hydrogenated and dehydrogenated derivatives. So this is the modern definitions of terpenoids. Now from here, it is important for your exams. What is isoprene rule? For short type questions. thermal decomposition of terpenoids give isoprene as one of the product. Otto pointed out that a skeleton structure of all naturally occurring terpenoids can be built up of isoprene unit. This is called isoprene rule. Isoprene rule states that the terpenoids molecules are constructed from two or more isoprene units. You can see this is the molecule known as isoprene, and the repetitions of head and tail fashions present in all terpenoid chemistry. So a spatial isoprene rule. What is the spatial isoprene? This is also very important for your exam. Ingold suggests that the terpenoids molecule are constructed of two or more isoprene units joined in a head to tail fashions. You can see head CH3 attached to carbon, double bond CH2. This is the head, and CH2 is the tail. In the same way, you can see CH3 attached with the carbon and a double bond CH. This is the head, and CH double bond CH2 is the tail. You can see here. This is the head, this is the tail. This is the head, this is the tail. This one is head, this is the tail. CH2, head and tail. So friend, now you understand the meaning of head and tail fashions. Now, open chain monoterpenoids. These are examples. So your job is to find out where is the head and where is the tail. So you can see in my scene, this is the head and this is the tail. Again, this one is head and this one is tail. In citral, this one is head, tail. Again, this CH3, you just look at the CH3 and this one, head and tail. Again, this one is head, tail. This one is head and tail. But this rule can only be used as guiding principle, not as a fixed rule. For example, carotenoids are joined tail to tail at their central, and there are also some terpenoids whose carbon content is not a multiple of 5. So friends, JM dialkyl rules. So I will discuss this in our next video. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.